Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on Realme 11 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then locate the mobile network. There's a data usage right here. Now you can set a data usage limit in this setting right there. We can start calculating data usage from a specific day of every month. In this case, we're going to go for first day. Then there's daily data usage limit that you can activate, and now we can enter a number. So let's go for 5 gigabytes of data. And when the data limit is reached, we'll get the alert only, or we can change it to turn off mobile data automatically and also receive this alert. We can also do the same thing for monthly data usage. It works basically the same way, but instead of a day, we'll get entire month. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.